What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get into this video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, what I've done is I've found out a way, a brand new way that you can make at minimum $100 in free PayPal money online. If you do not have a PayPal account, I strongly urge you to get one. It is beneficial to you as a business and as a person, and it's the only way you're going to get anything out of watching this video. So before you continue, go make a PayPal account. It's 100% free. Come back to this video and I'll show you how you can be making $100. Now, I want to tell you that these results are not always consistent, and if you don't do what I'm telling you to do, you may not make that $100 that I'm saying you can make. Okay, you might make under that, you might make over that, but if you can at least make 100 if you follow the steps. I've tried multiple ways in doing this since I figured out how this website worked and that it existed, and I'm telling you, not many people are on this. Okay, they're brand new, they're just starting out, and it's a really good way to make free money. Okay, it's not hard labor, it's online, just like you want to, just like you can do whenever you can, whenever you want to. It's straight from your home, straight from the coffee shop, straight from wherever, anywhere you can do this and be making money instantly. Okay, I can show you how to make money right now today. Okay, but you got to watch all the way to the end of the video. I'm going to be showing you different tips and tricks to get you started. Okay, so let's get into the video. The first website we're going to is going to be called Prize Rebel. Okay, Prize Rebel is the name of the website that we're going to be looking into. And while we look into this website, I'm not only going to show you how you can make $100, I'm going to show you how you can diversify your income streams. You can have multiple streams of income just from this one website. You know, usually you would have to sign up for this website and then another website and then another website. No, all you have to do is just this one website. You'll be perfectly fine. All right, so let's go down. It's 100% free, as you can see, and this is a site where you can redeem points, digital points, for real money, and they pay you through PayPal. Okay, gift cards, things like that. They send you surveys to fill out. They also give you small tasks to do. You enter Raffles. We're going to go through all of this a little bit later in the video, but I want you to just see what the landing page looks like. Okay, they've been redeeming at least $21 million. Okay, 504 gift card rewards and cash rewards. Like this is how many people are on this, but like it's a trusted thing. And as you can see, they have all of the code signs you possibly need: Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber. Okay, they are a valid company. It's not a scam. They're not going to jip you or anything. They're not going to take your money. This is legitimate. This is a legitimate business. Okay, I want you to follow me, and we're going to look at these rewards really fast, and we're going to pay attention to this sidebar over here. You can see that they're paying out as we speak, you know, $5, $10, and they're paying through PayPal. Again, like you really need that PayPal account. And listen, they have accomplices with all of the other businesses you already usually buy from, you know, Amazon, DSW, you know, Sprouts, Home Chef Groceries, things like that, Dunkin' Donuts, iTunes, Apple, Burger King. Like you can be getting all of this rewards just from being on this website, plus get money. Okay, you can additionally earn money as well as these gift cards and awards off of this website. And the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna sign up. Okay, that's what you have to do. You have to sign up, and after you sign up, you're met with this page. So this is where we get all of our bonuses and prizes and rewards from. The first thing you should probably do just to get your feet wet is the surveys. Okay, so you should go fill out some surveys. You can fill out these surveys within 30 seconds. It doesn't take a long time, and then you're automatically going to start receiving your first set of points. Okay, this is the quickest way. It's not the most points and the most money you'll make on this website, but it's the first way most people go, and it's a really good way just to start out, to feel it out, to see what it looks like, what it feels like, how it works. Okay, so just do a bunch of surveys, earn all what you can, and do it like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back. I'm going to go down. I'm going to show you another way to earn money. So you can go to surveys, and that's one way to earn money. So that's one income stream. Remember earlier in the video, I told you we're going to show you multiple streams of income with just this one service, okay? We're also going to go to offer walls, okay? Now, offer walls is basically them asking you to do certain things with brands. You know, you can either download an app, or you can listen to something, and they're going to give you points for that, okay? And it's all kickback stuff. You're not going to have to pay any kind of money out, but this is an offer wall. It's almost like an affiliate link almost. So you just do this, go to the offer wall, and you purchase or you buy a product and you get points off of that. Now the points in the purchase are going to be more than what the initial purchase is off the back end. So if you have the offer for the Disney Plus offer, okay, you're going to do the Disney Plus, but the money you're going to get back from Prize Rebel is going to be way more than what the Disney Plus offer actually is, okay? So you want to really take this into consideration. This is one way you could be getting money out of here. And I'm sure a lot of this stuff you may already be doing and not even noticing it, okay? So let's also go to videos. Videos is something we can also do if you watch videos. If you are a YouTube person or you watch food or celebrity videos, if you watch the videos, they'll show you how much money you can make and how much points you can get. And all you have to do is watch the video and receive your points, okay? That's a very low cost way, no cost way to really start on this website. And the beautiful thing is you could be multitasking while you do this. So you open the video in a completely separate browser, okay? Open the video in a separate browser and then finish a survey in another browser. You don't even have to physically have your eyes on the screen while the video is playing. That's what's great about this website, okay? So we just showed you 3 different ways. Surveys, offer walls, and videos are all ways you could be making money on this website. You can also go to Raffles, okay? If you feel lucky, what you could do is you can enter the raffle and you could be getting $10, $10, $10, all right? They have deals all of the time, and it's a free way. It's a low cost, no cost way, okay? You're not going to lose anything by entering the raffle, so you might as well. So if you're watching the video, you finish the survey, the video is still going, head over here, enter the raffle, you know? And look, they don't even have anybody entered yet right here. These are all the people that haven't entered. This is the number of you don't even have myself entered right here, but these are the number of people who have entered. So this is a pretty low number. You know, only 13 people have entered. You have a pretty solid chance of getting that kind of gift card. All right, and they like I said, they have partners with all kinds of services, Best Buy, Five Guys. You know, no matter what your forte is, what you do, I'm sure on this website they're gonna find something that you like. Okay, so you can do that. They also have contests. This is another way for you to be earning points, getting money, and they pay all of this out in PayPal. Again, like the longer you're with it, the more money you can earn. So all of these numbers can actually go up. There's actually one more thing I want to show you on the corner here, and this is a daily challenge. Okay, so if you are consistent with this, you can actually earn additional points on top of the points you already earned through the app. Through the website. So if you reach 135 points for the day, they'll give you an extra 5 points, and this number goes up the more you use the website, okay? And if you're consistent, you can earn additional points off top of that. So right now, you know, you can earn 35 extra points for the week. Actually, you can 35. You can earn 30 for the week, and then another 5 per day on top of the points you already would be making doing the surveys, watching the videos, and things like that. All right, so this is a perfect site for you if you're just trying to make a quick $100, quick money, doing fun things. It's actually really fun. Half of this stuff is pretty awesome. The only con with this, the only problem with it, because I'm not gonna just give you all the pros, you know, I'm not trying to sell this. This isn't sponsored whatsoever. They're not paying me any money. I don't get commission off of any of this. I'm just really trying to inform you guys and give you information so that, you know, you can go out and be successful in your own rights. But the thing with this is you're gonna have to keep coming to the website in order to make money and generate an income. And that's great if you're you're just trying to save up a little bit of money and do things on the side here and there. But if you're trying to be an entrepreneur and you really want to have financial freedom and have a long-term business model that's working online, what I suggest you really do is I suggest you click the first link in my description. And that's going to send you to what I believe is my number one way to make a living online. I wouldn't steer you wrong. I wouldn't lie to you. I think it's a really good opportunity for specific people, hard workers, go-getters, entrepreneurs, business-minded folks. I think this would probably benefit you more than this website, even though this is a wonderful website and you can generate, multiple streams and diversify your portfolio here. If you really want to make big money and you want to, quit your job, because this isn't going to help you quit your job. If you want to make that kind of money, click the first link in my description, and that's going to take you to my number one source of making money online. My name is Make Money Malik. Please be sure to like this video, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.